game. It's a rich thing.
What's up guys, we are back with another video. We're going to be doing the artwork body shops side splitters. I have them right here actually. I took them out of the package. I don't think I showed you guys it opening it up this at all, but I got them right here. Came very nice, and all the hardware is right here. I don't know what we're going to be getting too far into today. The main thing I want to see if this clears my pedal lights, because that's when I'm going to have to like maybe remove my pedal lights, and hopefully the mounting holes are not in the location, because I would have to cut it just because like how it's pretty wide honestly. So we want to make sure that we can utilize the pedal light, because I don't want to give it up for some side splitters. So right now I might just grab one of them and then we'll go to the car. It's dark right now, but I'll try to set a light and we'll just go from there and see what happens. All right, here it is. Right now I'm just gonna line it up just to see how much room I got. Looks pretty good right there. Honestly, when this is on the floor, it's gonna be pretty damn low. It should be pretty dope. All right, let's see if it clears. The moment of truth is clearing the pedal lights. The pedal lights, I think I moved it pretty far back. If anything, it's not hooked up, so I can't see where it is technically. But yeah, we're just gonna see where it is. All right, let's see. Should give me a good amount to clear it. For some reason, I don't know why they add this extra piece right here. I don't know if it gives it more support, but if I cut this down just like how it is right here, I feel like I will have enough clearance in order to clear and mount this properly. So I think that's what we're going to do first. We're going to go ahead and cut this off. This whole gap, it goes all the way through. And then, yeah, I guess we'll just start from there. But if you look at this, because the pedal lights are basically the same. So if I put this right before, so that's pretty much the gap, really, with if I have the pedal lights. Actually, I'm not too sure on this one. What I might actually have to cut it out and take it off. I'll take the side skirts off just to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the side skirts off and I'll pull this into the house. I'll just do one at a time. Alright guys, so I have it right here. And this is where we're gonna see how it lays. Let's put it on. So right here we find over here. Yeah, I think it just hits this part right here. Alright, well, let me mess with this a little bit more. Alright guys, I marked the tape where we're going to be cutting it. We're going to take off this whole chunk. We're going to be making it align like this. The only thing I'm not too sure if I'm going to use this or use a cutoff wheel, but I'm going to try this first and see how this goes. If it's too much, then I'll try to use a cutoff wheel. Alright, cut it. I'll show you guys the cut next time. But actually, it was pretty damn easy. So, look how thick that plastic is. It's so thick. Go ahead and we'll go get rid of this piece And we're gonna see again if now this gap will be plenty to mount, because you can see my puddle lights are in a good order already, so I don't really try not to move this anymore because it's already hard mounted. If anything, I just want to trim this guy and make this fit. So the first step is to hopefully it fits. Second step is hopefully these mounting holes are not in any of the puddle lights. That's the next one, but yeah, we'll see what happens right now. All right, guys, I'm just testing them out. Let's make sure it's good enough how I want it. It looks pretty good. I think I might be happy with it, just like this. So when I do the other side right now, I'll show you guys exactly what I honestly did. But let me go ahead and wrap this one up, and I'll show you guys step by step, a little bit more in depth on what I did. But you guys don't need to do any of this extra step if you guys are just installing it. Seems like it's a lot easier to do it off than on. I'm already like probably like 30 minutes into this whole project, and I already got this pretty much done. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten the bolts, check in, and check out the lights one more time. All right, guys, if you guys have a Artwork Body Shop rear side splitter and you have puddle lights, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna be cutting off this excess by we're gonna put some tape on it. Alright, just like this, and we're going to go ahead and cut all this off. Alright guys, just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and take off the tape, and I'm going to pull off the other side skirt off my car, and we'll bring it back. Got the instruction manual right here. I'm going to go ahead and use a drill bit. They recommend a 1/4 inch drill bit, and then you're going to use the 3/8, which is right here what I have. And we're going to go ahead and make the first hole, line it up. Man, it's so dirty in here, but yeah. Next we're gonna mount a hardware, get one of these and one of these, and we're gonna go ahead and bolt the first one in. Alright, got it all done. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it with the Allen key. And I'm using a 13th, but it actually says to use a 15/16, but I was gonna use a 13. And we're gonna go ahead and tighten them all up. Alright, put this together. Unfortunately, the gap closed, which is a good thing, but a bad thing because my I need the space. So we'll see how it fits tomorrow when I put this on. If anything, I'll shift it a little bit more. Since I didn't get sponsored by this, I could talk crap about it. I think they should use more holes or more bolts. If they only give you 5, if they could put one more in each between there, it'd be perfect. Because I feel like there is a slight gap. But I have everything all tightened up. I think they should have not added that extra piece in here because I had to cut it off and there was no point of having it. Mariah sold her car. But yep, we'll pick this up tomorrow. So guys, we are gonna go ahead and wire these up real quick. We're gonna put some butt connectors on so that way we can put it to the car. I don't have any of those quick connectors, so I'm just gonna hardwire it again. And then next time I'll be prepared and I'll have more, but I'm impatient and I wanna get this on, so we're gonna go ahead and just put the butt connectors on, and when we get to the car, we'll crimp it on. Anyways, yeah, we'll just move this to the car now. All right, we're gonna go ahead and transfer the clips onto here. I wanna get these back on. Clip goes in here. Ooh, we got it. Oh, that looks so sick. What do you approve? Alright, these are the ones I said I was gonna wire up. Usually I'll put a quick connect, just like what we did over there somewhere. But for some reason I didn't do it here, but we'll go ahead and just wire it up again, because I don't barely gonna take these off ever. Dude, that's sick. When I put them in, I'm probably just gonna check everything over, get it ready for the green meat. Damn, no size, no visors life. Oops. Put in the last clip. Should be right here. It's kind of hard to see. I ain't going nowhere. This is this Artwork shop, Artwork Body Shop rear diffuser. I guess I'll show you a comparison to Jaden's over here. Yeah, the Sinful Vision one. And that's Sinful Vision back too, right?
This one's the S Factor.
Oh, X Factor? Which one you like better for a company?
I don't know. I think I wanted like more fins on this one, but there's only like 4. And then I was looking at a post and there was more fins, but I don't know where it was from. But yeah, I just like the fins to be like bigger though. But the only thing I'm scared about is like
on one side. Yeah, pretty cool. Shit, pokey. Sheesh, that's dope. Now all I need is just the rear canards and I could have it all complete. You soon?
yeah.
Yeah, I sold the visors, so it's all off and ugly. And I bought new visors, so I'm getting a color match again.
Oh, you took them off?
That's why I don't have a gas lid right here, because I had them go color match it.
What was it before? It was different.
And it's my little speaker thingy.
Damn, that shit looks nice.
Oof. Trying to take some shows. Trying to take Winnie fast.
That's crazy.
Alright guys, we're in the video with some quick cinematic. The car is filthy. I got some parts getting painted, so I don't mind it looking ugly. I'm gonna go right for crystals real quick before my GoPro dies. But yeah, look at this. Oof. So sexy. Nice.